Boost your immune system with this bright and tangy citrus ginger immunity shot. This juice recipe is so easy to make and it's really high in vitamin C. You only need a few ingredients for this healthy juice. Now more than ever, it's important to have a strong immune system to fight off any viruses and bugs. Vitamin C is one nutrient that is so important in supporting the body's immune system. And this recipe for an immunity shot is a great way to get over 50% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. The other ingredients include apple cider vinegar, fresh ginger, a little pinch of cayenne pepper, and they're all immune boosting and have anti-inflammatory properties. This healthy juice is vegan, paleo, and so refreshing, and I'm making it in both a juicer or a blender. I hope you guys like this recipe for my immunity shot. Now let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, it's actually really tasty. It is bright and tangy, has the sweetness of the orange, the brightness of the lemon, tanginess from the ginger, a little spice from the pepper. I hope you love this recipe too, and please check out my other immune boosting recipes, including my immune boosting orange smoothie, and I'll see you in the next video.